favors what is due to opposition as and when we demand. We don't ask any extra favors, and we expect that you will definitely uphold these values and uphold the dignity and office of the Speaker. Congratulations once again.
Sir, I stand by to congratulate
If
you,
honorable chief
you
minister
coming from a ST background. I think it will really add value. Entire house.
Then I have my right to
as
speak.
a opposition.
I have my right to speak.
Time दिवचो.
तेका दिल्ल्या बरोबर
Speaker sir. Speaker sir.
Congratulations
I have the right to speak. Being the senior most member of this house.
सगळ्याचे पैसे असं
फ्रेंडाचेर म्हाका सदां आमी सगळ्यांनी चलचे कित्याक इनजस्टीस भरपूर जालो एंड दिस वील लीड अस विथ फुल ऑफ एनर्जी की गोंयचे एनवायरमेंट जा जे भाटा बेसा दोंगर आहाय
हांव उलयतां
कन्वर्जन आहा हे कन्वर्जन जाता आनी आज लँडा इश्यू आला मध्ये सगळे गडबड जाताय सो म्हाका सदां हेजेर प्रायोरिटायज करून सगळ्याक बराबर घेवन आनी ह्यो जो best person today. You are the best person who is come on the chair. And people are watching us. मेरा बाहर इतनी दादागिरी चलता स्पीकर अरे बहुत जो बाहर चलता zoom नहीं चलता environmental destruction environment salva करचे डोंगर भी salva करचे शेता भी salva करचे कित्याक शेता डोंगर is the main cause of गुंडागिरी स्पीकर आणि जोरी तोरी या शेता डोंगर आम सालवार कोनाय हे कन्वर्जन सालवार कोनाय द एंटायर गुंडागिरी एका वी टाइम दिचो स्पीकर सर आज आम सगळ्या उलोवपाक सगळ्याक जो प्रयत्न केला एक्शन केली आज हे फर्स्ट टाइम ह्या हाऊसार टाइम सगळ्या तुया
बस बस होता नहीं बस रे मेजबा बस सांगता पळय
अरे माईक मध्ये सगळ्यांचे बंद जाल्ले रे तुझोच न्ही माझोय बंद जाल्लो बेश्टो भिता तू
विरी बाब एक गजाल सांगता पळय तुम्ही सगळे उलयले न्ही
तो मान दिवन म्हणटाना आनी कितें उलयता
हे हात कोण माते खबर आहा हे बंद जावपाक जाय ऑपोजिशनाक उलोवन दी ऑपोजिशनाक टायम तुगेलो बरो दिसात
हावजाच्या रुला प्रमाणे कोणाक कितें उलोवपाक जाय पळय तें उलोवनी तुमचें अभिनंदन करपाक जाय आमच्या हावजातले सगळे एकट्यान उलोवपाचो न्ही आमी ठरयलें बीइंग अ एक्स स्पीकर तेणी उलयल्लो बस सोंपलेलो विशय
No. It is a demand by the opposition that you speak on the episode and condemn that Ramakant Konkar's assault.
Speaker sir,
demand from the opposition
business
that you should make a mention.
जेन्ना तुमकां खबर आसतलें की एक्सटेंशन ऑफ 6th शेड्यूल प्रोटेक्शन 6th शेड्यूल घटनेचें is about constitutional safeguards for tribal areas. आज तुम्ही ट्रायबल एक्टिविस्ट स्पीकर जाल्ले आहात काल लद्दाखाक 4 लोक मारले shot dead because they were tribal. 1 minute silence मागता I am asking only for 1 minute silence. 1 minute silence मागता स्पीकर सर 1 minute silence मागता for the dead.
business complete करा
तुमगे ट्रायबलाचे कितले पडले
business first business complete करा
1 minute silence मागता 4 मनीस मेल्या स्पीकर साहेब ट्रायबल प्रोटेक्शन मध्ये मेल्या 4 मनीस
business complete करा
पळय वेलजी बाब तुम्ही बसा सगळे एकटो उलयतो उबो रावपाचो सगळे जर उबे रावले आता हांव तेजेर उत्तर दिता
कंडेम कोर अटॅक जालते कंडेम
हांव तेजेर उत्तर दिता
ट्रायबल
business complete करा
किती उलयला मधी
business complete करा
ट्रायबल एक 1 मिनिट सायलेन्स दी मरे
speaker साहेब तुम्ही business complete करा speaker साहेब business complete करा
हांव उलयता हांव सांगता उलयता पयलीं हांव हांव उलयतां मागीर
अरे
सांगा
ताका
तुमी.
तर आता कॉंग्रेच्युलेटरी केल्या
बस रे,
उलोवपाक
हांव
दी मरे
उलयतां.
स्पिकराक तरी.
पयली सुवातेर तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी माझे अभिनंदन केले त्या खातीर तुमचे सगळ्याचो हांव आभारी आसा. एक गजाल लक्षात दवरुया की सभागृहाचे कामकाज चलयता तेन्ना ह्या सायडीच्यान आमचे जे पळय लोक आसा ते माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हे सभागृहाचे नेते आसा. त्याच प्रमाणे ऑपोजिशन लिडर जे पळय आसा ते ऑपोजिशनचे लिडर आसा. जेन्ना लिडर उबो रावता तेन्ना एक जशें तुमी म्हाका पळय सांगलें की अशा पद्दतीन न्याय दिवपा जाय म्हणून आमचे सगळ्याचे काम आसा. कितें की गोंयच्या जनतेचे प्रश्न जे पळय आसा ते हांगा डिस्कस करून सोडोवपाचे. योग्य पद्दतीन रुल्स ज्या प्रमाणे परमीट करता त्या पद्दतीन प्रत्येकाची वागणूक आसची अशी माझी सगळ्यां कडेन रिक्वेस्ट आसा. आनी एक लक्षात दवरा की एक दुसरो जेन्ना पळय सदस्य माननीय सदस्य उलयता तेन्ना दुसऱ्यान उठोन म्हणटा ताका अडथळो हाडपाचो गरज ना. बरे भाशेन समज हात चलोवपा जाय आमकां आमी सगळ्यांनी बरे भाशेन हात चलोवन गोंयच्या जनतेचे प्रश्न योग्य रितीन मांडून हांगा आमी सॉल्व करपाचे प्रयत्न करया. त्या खातीर म्हाजी परत एक तुमकां विनंती आसा जाय जाल्यार सगळ्यांक हांव प्रोवायड करतलो कितें रुल्स बूक स्ट्रिक्टली एज पर रुल्स आमी या आनी लोकांचे प्रश्न आमी सॉल्व करया. आतां आय मेक द फॉलोइंग कॉंग्रेच्युलेटरी रेफरन्स एज स्टेट. This House congratulates Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan, Honorable Vice President of India, for being sworn in as the 15th Vice President of India on 12th September 2025 as Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Number 2, this House unanimously places on record its deep sense of appreciation and heartfelt congratulations to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, for the historic introduction of the next generation GST reforms in the country with effect from 22nd September 2025. These visionary reforms mark a watershed moment in India's economic journey, aimed at making the goods and services tax regime more transparent, technology-driven, business-friendly and inclusive. The new GST framework is expected to significantly reduce compliance burden, promote ease of doing business, strengthen cooperative federalism, and further accelerate the nation's growth trajectory towards becoming a $10 trillion economy. This House acknowledges that the next gen GST reforms will directly benefit lakhs of small traders, entrepreneurs, and common citizens of Goa, especially in key sectors such as tourism, shipping, hospitality, mining and manufacturing. It is a testimony to the Prime Minister's unwavering commitment to ensure that India's tax structure evolves with the needs of a fast emerging global economy. This House therefore places on record its profound gratitude and congratulates Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister, for his bold and reform-oriented leadership and assures him of Goa's full support in realizing the vision of a Viksit Bharat at 2047. The references are before the House. The House adopts the congratulatory reference unanimously. Now, reconstitution of members of House Committee to study matters related to River Madhe.
I appoint Sri Nilesh Kabral, Honorable Member of this House Committee, to study the matter related to the river of the Madhe. The rest of the compensation of the House Committee remains the same as reflected in the Bulletin Part 1 dated 19 June 2023.
Sri Nilesh Kabral, Honorable MLA, has been appointed by the Honorable Chief Minister as a member of the House Committee to study matters related to River Madhe. The rest of the composition of the House Committee remains the same as reflected in Bulletin Part 1 dated 19th June 2023. The motion is adopted. I now put the same to the vote of the House. Those in favor may say ayes.
Aye.
And those against may say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. Motion is adopted. reconstitution of members of House Committee to study establishment of common burial grounds crematorium.
Sir, I appoint Mr. Mavin Budino, Honorable Legislator Affairs Minister, Mr. Panchayat, as the Chairman of the House Committee to study the establishment of the common burial grounds crematorium as in place of Sri Alex Sequeira, Honorable Member. The rest of the composition of the House Committee remains the same as reflected in the Bulletin Part 1 dated 10 February 2024.
Sri Mavin Budino, Honorable Legislative Affairs Minister, Minister of Panchayat, has been appointed by the Honorable Chief Minister as the Chairman of the House Committee to study establishment of common burial grounds crematorium in place of Sri Alex Sequeira, Honorable MLA. The rest of the composition of the House Committee remains the same as reflected in Bulletin Part 1 dated 10 February 2024. I now put the same to the vote of the House. Those in favor may say ayes.
Aye.
And those against may say noes. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Reconstitution of Select Committee on the Goa Public Universities Bill 2025.
Sir, I appoint Sri Alex Sequeira and Krishna Salkar, Honorable Members, as the member of the Reconstitute the Select Committee of the Goa Public University Bill 2025 in place of Sri Digambar Kamath and Honorable Minister and Dr. Ganesh Gaukar, Honorable Speaker. The rest of the composition of the Select Committee remains the same as reflected in the Bulletin Part 1 of the dated 8th August 2025.
Sarvasri Alexo Sequeira and Krishna Salkar, Honorable MLAs, have been appointed by the Honorable Chief Minister as the members of the Reconstituted Select Committee on the Goa Public Universities Bill 2025 in place of Sri Digambar Kamath and myself. The rest of the composition of the Select Committee remains the same as reflected in Bulletin Part 1 dated 8th August 2025. I now put the same to the vote of the House. Those in favor may say ayes.
Aye.
Those against may say noes. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Announcement of reconstitution of various committees for the year 2025. I hereby nominate the reconstitution of various committees for the year 2025-2026, which has been circulated to the honorable members by Bulletin Part 2, number 2233, dated 25th September 2025. Honorable members, let us rise for the national anthem.
Silence, but national anthem. National
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गावे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Declare.
As there is no business before the House, I adjourn the House sine die.